Understanding, a cog in the wheel, navigating your role in a larger system. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to be a cog in the wheel. This phrase offers rich imagery to discuss one's role within a larger organization or system. Let's unravel its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. A cog in the wheel refers to an individual's role as a small but essential part of a larger organization or system. The cog is a tooth on the rim of a wheel or gear that, when interlocked with others, enables the entire mechanism to function. Similarly, the phrase symbolizes how individual efforts, no matter how small, contribute to the bigger picture or goal of an organization. The phrase originates from the Industrial Revolution, a time when machinery and factory work became prevalent. During this era, the imagery of gears and cogs was a common representation of the burgeoning industrial landscape. Over time, a cog in the wheel has evolved to describe anyone who plays a part in the complex machinery of organizations, societies, or any system requiring collective effort. To use a cog in the wheel in conversation, it's often employed to express a feeling of being just a small part of something much larger. It can carry a neutral, positive, or negative connotation depending on the context. Neutral, describing one's role in a large organization. Positive, highlighting the importance of every role in achieving a goal. Negative, feeling undervalued or like one's efforts go unnoticed. Examples: I sometimes feel like just a cog in the wheel at my job, but I know every task is important. Every volunteer in this campaign is a crucial cog in the wheel of change. While a cog in the wheel is widely understood in English-speaking countries, similar idioms exist in other languages, reflecting the universal concept of individual contribution to a larger cause. This phrase also prompts discussions about the value of individual work and the importance of teamwork, making it relevant in both professional and personal contexts. Understanding and using phrases like a cog in the wheel can enrich your English vocabulary and help you articulate complex ideas about individual roles and collective efforts. Whether you see yourself as a vital cog in the wheel of your workplace, community, or any larger system, remember that every effort contributes to the bigger picture. We hope this video has illuminated the depths of this phrase for you. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of the English language.